Today I'm down at the Attention to Details shop in Chesterton, Indiana. I'm going to talk with Brian about doing some paint correction and then installing the state-of-the-art exhaust system by Frequency Intelligent on my Audi RS7.
What's up, everybody? Brian here from Attention to Details. So we just got Rudy's RS7 2016. We are getting ready to, tomorrow morning, we're going to completely scrub, wash, decontaminate, strip any waxes or sealants that's been previously on this car, then mask it off. Then we're going to do probably a stage 2 paint correction because it's not that bad. Bring it back to its glory and beauty, and then we're going to talk possibly, maybe, I don't know yet, a ceramic coating. If not, then we're going to be installing his FI exhaust, which is awesome.
Killer exhaust system.
And we're going to be filming that as well from start to finish, do some sound bites. Then when we get that done, we're going to be wrapping the car and Expel Ultimate Plus, and we'll be filming that as well. So it's going to be a pretty good project, and I want to thank you for trusting us to do all this.
Oh, absolutely. You guys do amazing work here. In this car, the color of this car is Panther Black Crystal effect, and it's actually like a purple metallic, and it flips to green in the sunlight, so it really deserves an amazing buff job, and it just has to look its full potential.
It's gonna pop. With the color of this, it's gonna be amazing. It's amazing now, and it's dirty because it got rained on today, obviously,
right.
But it is going to absolutely be stunning.
It's gotta look like the stunning car it is.
That's right, that's right. Yeah, so Rudy, one of the things, some of the performance mods you're getting ready to do on this. So obviously we're doing the full cat back, or turbo back.
Downpipes, full turbo
Down,
back.
okay. All right, on the FI exhaust, which we're going to show you guys in a minute here, we got it laid out. Besides that, for performance tuning,
it doesn't need much. This car is pretty fast the way it is, but I'm going to do the APR stage 1 tune.
Stage 1 tune.
And that's basically it. I mean, the car's fast as it is.
Yeah. Then we might have to change some brake pads to some hawk or something to slow this beast down. It does have the very nice.
Fast as it can be without going crazy, and still keeping it the family car I need it to be.
So we're going to be flirting roughly the 705 when it's all done?
Maybe close.
Okay. I know I'm a huge Audi fan, which everybody knows. A lot of these cars are underrated in their horsepower ratings. You know, some of them up to 25 horsepower. Like the RS5, there's a lot, if you dig into it, especially the 15, the last year, the 4.2, they're saying they're like at the 450, 455 range, but there's some people out there that say no, they're like the 475, the way they come from the factory.
We're going to dyno it, so, you know, we're going to get the exhaust on, but I'm going to wait till it's tuned, you know, and see what it does.
Yep. Do a good pull on it.
Check back and see what.
Yeah. Definitely the sound clips when we get the exhaust on, because we've heard video clippings of it, and this is just.
Yeah, that exhaust.
The exhaust
not only sounds amazing, but it looks incredible.
Oh, it's actually a shame to have this covered up. Yeah, we're
going to show it to you right now.
Yeah.
So, the guys at Frequency Intelligent made this killer exhaust for my car, and we just unwrapped it, and we're blown away by the quality of this thing. I mean, look at the welds on it.
It is the welds, and one thing I liked, which they didn't have to do, I don't know if this camera sees this, this is basically a support weld bracket. If I'm reading this correctly, this is the Audi RS6 and RS7 number
35.
So this is the 35th one
system
they've produced. Yeah, but I mean the quality. I went over it, and I've dealt with a lot of Stainless Works, Miltech, you know, a lot of systems, and this is like up there, if not cranking out better quality. I mean, the weld seams, just the finish on it. It's a shame that this is going to be covered.
Real impressive work. And they make a lot of different tips. There's gold ones, black diamond, but I chose to go with the carbon fiber tips, which you don't see too much of them, unfortunately, but I think they'll look really nice.
And that's not fake, that's real
That's the real carbon fiber.
then we're gonna have some wiring obviously to do on this because you're gonna have a foot of control.
Yeah, this is a Valvetronic system too, so it'll open and control the valves remotely, you know, so you quiet it up when you're going past the church or the police station.
You start it up in the morning, you don't wake your neighbors up.
Then you can go wide open.
Yeah, I'm very excited. This thing is going to, it's going to sound amazing.
We will probably do some footage of the install and, of course, before and after sound.
Yeah, this is pretty awesome, man. I'm very excited. Again, Rudy, thank you so much for letting us,
you got it.
Trusting us and taking this project on.
We got more to go, so thanks for checking back with us.
Peace.